Hey, what's up? It's Jason here. Wait, who's Jason? Hey, what's up guys? It's Kevin here and I built mobile apps. I hope you like my new look, keeping it fresh for 2021. Many people have been saying that I look 5 years younger, but I already know that, so thank you. Let's talk about one of the most boring topic ever, money. Now, the year 2020 has been pretty strange and quite an eye-opener at the same time. We have the pandemic that has pretty much single-handedly wiped out the entire economy. I think I have never seen anyone lose their job that quickly, and I have never seen small businesses close down at such an alarming rate. If I were to be honest with you, this entire 2020, it has really been a fright fest for me. I am afraid of so many things, particularly money. 2020 is all about money and how we are so much in control by money itself. Without money, we can't buy food, we can't pay our mortgage or rent, and we might be homeless. There's never been a time where money has become so scarce, and the worst part is, even though we're healthy and capable of working, we didn't have the opportunity to work and earn money simply because businesses are not running as usual. Financial security certainly is a major issue here, and I highly doubt that there is such a thing as financial security, knowing that my one income stream can be taken away in literally a day. Now that we're going into 2021, I absolutely believe that things will not go back to normal, at least not till mid-June or end of 2021, because it takes time to rebuild the economy. This also means in 2021, money will continue to be a problem, and if I want to be smart about this, I will definitely start preparing now so that I don't repeat the same mistake I made in 2020. And at the end of this video, I will tell you what you too can do and should do in 2021 to better protect yourself financially and have a great new year. So for me, it is very simple. If I want to feel more financially secure in 2021, I just need to make sure that I have more than one stream of income. For example, I do contract work for a company right now, and even though the pay is good, it is not the most secure way financially. This is especially true for 2021 because the pandemic is showing no signs of stopping. So every businesses out there is unable to predict what is going to happen. And if they cannot predict, they too cannot predict what your job security is going to be like. But on the plus side, there has been an increase in work from home. And if there's anything positive to get out of this global pandemic, it is the fact that we now have so much more time on our hand because we saved a lot of time from commuting to work. And it is a blessing. To have more time on our hand is a blessing to me because this is what I have been requesting all these years. The question now is, what did you do with that extra hours you had in 2020? For me, the year 2020 has been my busiest year ever. We are all staying at home so much, but I have been utilizing my time to the fullest. Now again, my plans for 2021 is to earn more money, and the way I would go about doing this is definitely to have multiple streams of income. Because as I said, the world is becoming very unpredictable, so you don't want to rely on just one source of income. I know having one source of income is easy, it is comfortable, but if there ever is a time to get out of your comfort zone, it is now. But I'm not the type of person who would go into a war unprepared. So even though today's topic is about how I will earn more money in 2021, I technically already got the wheel started this year in 2020. So how about I tell you my streams of income that I have been building, and after that I will tell you which one you can follow, and you can start building your alternate source of income too for yourself, even if you do not have crazy skills like I do. Quick pause, what is the opposite of a boring topic like this one? A fun topic. And who is fun? Jillian Mulholland. I've been following Jillian for a while now, and the videos she makes, it's always happy and fun. She's an awesome Aussie girl who does vlogs and comedy. She acts well, she sings well, and best of all, she is entertaining as hell. So if you ever want to take a break from heavy duty and boring content like mine, then make sure to check out her channel for more entertainment and fun. A few things I suggest you watch on the channel are the ones on her going on a date or in a relationship, and especially you got to watch her sing. Beautiful voice. I mean seriously, you have got to watch it yourself. I highly recommend watching Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas. Best time to listen, especially with Christmas just around the corner. So go check out her channel and subscribe if you enjoy her content. Cheers. Okay, back to my streams of income. I have a total of 5 streams of income. I know, it might sound amazing, but truthfully, it is not for everyone, and I certainly don't want you to jump from having one stream of income to having 5 streams of income. I'll tell you what these streams of incomes are and you can see if you have similar to mine. The first one is of course my contract work. This is my main source of income and I get paid for doing projects and contracts for companies. On paper, it sounds great to have clients, but in reality, it really isn't any different from a typical 9 to 5 job. The only difference is I'm not on a payroll. I go in as a contractor and paid as a company, so I do get some company benefits out of it. The second one, real estate. I'm a property investor and I own a few real estates here and there. Some I buy to hold and play the long game for capital or equity gain. Some I buy for future development. Some I buy to get rent. And of course, one right here I buy as my own home. I think everyone should get into real estate. If possible, at least 2 properties in your lifetime. One as your own home and one just solely as an investment. But if you don't know how to play the real estate game, then I highly suggest you join some workshop or seminars or start reading up to familiarize yourself with this industry. It is definitely one of the best ways to build up your money over time, although you need to understand that real estate is kind of a long game. You can earn quite a lot from real estate in a really short time if you know what you're doing. But for me, I'm in it for the long game for sure because this isn't my primary source of income. The third one, mobile apps. I have been building mobile apps since 2010 and it started off as a hobby and now I'm able to build a career out of it. Mobile apps have been giving me quite a substantial amount of side income over the years and it is still giving me money every single day. I have quite a lot of passion in this field not only because it is my industry but also because I feel that I'm able to use technology to provide solution in many different ways and also because I have the freedom to do whatever I can think of. I have built several mobile apps. Some of them have hit the top 10 paid apps in the App Store multiple times and I see a lot of potential in this income stream. This is definitely one field that I will be expanding on. The fourth one, social media agency. This is fairly new to me as well. It started off this year in 2020 by coincidence. I was just having a chat with a business owner over marketing and using social media to really scale their business to the next level. And I find that there are many people out there, especially those who consider themselves as the older generation, they're running their businesses in a really traditional way. As you know, we are in the modern era and things have changed drastically over the years. So I find that there is a gap where many people are stuck in the past, not because they want to, but they don't know how to leverage on social media. This is a new income stream that may have potential as well. I'll update you more if you are interested in knowing. The fifth one, startup. I'm a huge fan of startup. I love the innovation and creating solutions to problems. Couple that with my background as a software engineer, I am interested in this area more than ever. But startups are not easy. In fact, many startup runs at a loss for many years before they start making a profit. It is not like in the movies. Those are startups on steroids and purely for entertainment. And nobody codes something up in a day. That's nonsense. I currently have 2 startup projects running, both of them at their very early stages, and I like to make it profitable in 2021. Oh, there's another one that I would like to start monetizing as well, and that is my YouTube channel. But at this stage, it is nowhere close and it is not something I like to focus on for now, at least not till I get closer to getting monetized. Now, here's my advice. Do not jump from having 1 income stream to having 5 income streams. If I were you, I'll just focus on building 1 additional income stream if I have only 1 income stream now. So if you still have your job, keep it, but make sure you use your extra time to build your second income stream. Always be diversifying. If you already have 2 income streams, then perhaps focus on building them till they stabilizes, then move on to your 3rd income stream. Make sure though that you are doing what you're good at. I wouldn't suggest you dive into a category that you don't know of. Don't be like me, jumping here and there all over the place. I have a disease, and the disease is called fear of missing out. It is the worst disease ever because it makes you want to do everything and gain nothing. I have so many income streams not because I want to, but mainly because of this disease. And once I'm in it, I can't let it go and I can get really stubborn about it, because I don't want to lose as I have way too much ego. My main aim in 2021 is to stay focused on my income streams and build them up. No more new income streams, please, Kevin. No more. Okay, now that's my suggestion to you, that is to focus on building up a new income stream. But what if you don't know how to do this? What if you don't know where to even start? If you're having that trouble, then you fall into the beginners category. And if you are in that category, then in 2021, I suggest you focus on building up one thing. and that is yourself. You should aim to build yourself up before offering your services out there. And the one thing I highly suggest you should learn is the ability to sell yourself. No matter what happens in the world, selling is a skill that will never go away. Think about all the income streams I just told you. Every single one of them involves selling one way or another. I wouldn't be able to get my contract job if I couldn't sell my skills. I wouldn't be able to make money from mobile apps if I don't know how to sell them on the App Store. You see, you only have to sell two things, either a product or a service. The product could be you, the service could come from you. Learning to sell yourself could really make you stand out from a lot of people. For example, if you want to start offering your services online on platforms like Fiverr, you still need to know how to write a good headline and a good description in order to sell your service. You need to know how to market yourself. Or maybe you want to approach a company online to offer your service. The very first email or message you send has to be able to sell your service in under 1 minute. All these are very important. Oh, another great example is YouTube videos. I find that a lot of people who are not content creators on YouTube, they always think that creating videos is a very easy thing to do. Sure, creating a video is easy, but trying to keep your viewers watching, trying to retain your viewers, trying to turn your viewers into subscribers, those come from the energy and charisma to sell your speaking skills. If you're watching up till this point, then I probably am doing quite a good job, but chances are most likely there's a large portion of you who have already stopped watching. And that's how I will go about making more money in 2021. Are you able to relate to what I say? If you do, make sure you leave me a comment down below and let me know what you will do in 2021 to make more money. And subscribe to my channel if you find this video helpful. Do let me know what type of videos you would like to see in the future. Otherwise, I will start doing videos that you don't like. So yeah, thank you for your time and I'll see you again in the next one. See ya!